Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for your inquiry on this stunning Skoda Karoq SE L. You can see it's finished in white paintwork, and also as we'll point out some of the features. Being the SE L model, it's got the chrome window surrounds and the matching roof rails. This particular car is the diesel version, and to complement those front parking sensors we've also got rear, and you'll just be able to notice under the O that it also has a rear camera as well. So not only is this car beautiful on the outside, it's also well equipped and stunning on the inside too. So now we've had a look at the outside, we'll take a look at that inside. And we've got half leather Alcantara upholstery, leather steering wheel, centre armrest. Both these front seats are heated, and this car's only covered 2,174 miles. Some other extras on this car: we've got navigation, and we've also got dual zone climate control, DAB radio, Bluetooth, auto lights, and electric folding door mirrors as well. So if you like what you see and you'd like to find out a little bit more, please feel free to give either me or my colleagues a call on 0115 9202355. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.